Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade uh gold, GBP USD and Euro USD on the smaller time frames. But before we look at the smaller time frames, we are just going to take a look at the higher time frames, what price of gold, GBP USD and Euro USD has moved on the higher time frames. Okay, right now I'm starting with gold. Okay, and we can see on the daily time frame these two tops. Okay, and another fact is the fact that the neckline has been broken, and you can see something like a range around here, and we had a range breakout yesterday. So the price of gold is already retracing, and then we can see a more elaborate double top. This double top is much more elaborate than what we have here, so we might be seeing the development of a bearish reversal. Okay, but for now, on the daily time frame, the price of gold has reversed or has retraced more than 23.6% Fibonacci level. So the 38.2% Fibonacci level is at 1890 area, while the 50% Fibonacci level is at 1838 area. So I believe 1891 area, which is 38.2% Fibonacci level, is the next likely target for gold. Okay, so that's that on the daily time frame. Let's take a look at what we have on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price of gold broke this low, this area, and then we can see that we have something like we have the high point here, we have a low point, lower high, now we have a lower low, there's a lower high, and now we have a lower low. Okay, so the price of gold is on the 4-hour time frame has broken the structure around here, and price broke the structure, and price is trying to retest that structural level for price to continue its downtrend. But if we have a breakout above the 1952 area, we might be seeing price getting close to the 1963 area if the 1952 area breaks. Coincidentally, the 1952 area is today's daily pivot. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? We have this can I call it triple bottom? Let me call it triple bottom. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, we have this bottom. Okay, it's low, a shadow, and we have another bottom and yet another one, triple bottom, and you can see what price is currently doing. Price is going up, so we'll see something like a break of the neckline somewhere around here, and price is likely to get to 1952 area. Okay, might as well draw the ascending trend line for us to take a closer look at what we might be expecting. The price to go up from here and then try to test the 1952. On the 30 minutes time frame, we can see that price is showing that the buyers are trying to push price up more like this. The sellers have taken profits, the sellers have booked profit, and price is retracing up. So price might get as high as 1952 or as high as 1954 before price continues its downward trend. On the 15 minutes time frame, the bulls are trying to take price up. Let's look at the Fibonacci retracement analysis. Okay, price has moved past the 38.2% Fibonacci level on the 15 minutes time frame. So we'll be expecting price to closing on the 50% level, which is 1950, before price gets to 1953 on the 15 minutes time frame. So for now, we're seeing more like a bullish structural development on the 15 minutes time frame. But you know, this is forex. Price could just decide to you know, break to the downside, and the moment we have a break to the downside, we're having something like a double top around here for price to get back to the low. But if price is going to break to the downside, we have this we have something like this order block that could serve as support to price. So it's either price drops to the order block and then, you know, continue up for us to have like a double top before price drops to the downside, or price could just break below the order block around here. Talking about the order block, around 1944 area. If we have a break below that order block, price is going to get to the next order block, and the next order block is at this level on the chart. Talking about the 1938 level. On the 5 minutes time frame, we can see that price is currently ranging. Price is currently ranging on the 1 minute time frame, on the 5 minute time frame. A break below the range could imply that we have liquidity grab. A break below this range, I'm talking about a break below the 1946 area, could imply we have a liquidity grab. A liquidity grab to the downside before price could start to go up. On the other hand, we have the range top to be at the range top. The range top is at, let's see where the range top is. We have the range top to be at the 1948 area. So a break above that area could also imply a liquidity grab, where all stop losses at the top are cleared. Then price could start to go down for us to have something like a triple top. But let's see how it pans out as the London market opens. On the 1 minute time frame, we have range. Price is ranging, drawing the trend line. You see that we have something like a trend line break happening around here for the order block on the 1 minute time frame. I'm talking about the 1947. We have this order block at the 1947.25 area. So if price breaks below this order block, we might start to see the liquidity grab at the bottom of the range. But for now, price is ranging. As long as price moves above this low, we could still see price push up to the upside. But a break below this low, I'm talking about a break below the 1944 area, could imply that price could start to go back to 1938 area. So that's that for the analysis on gold. Let's look at gbpusd. That's the cable. Price of cable sliding for now, and as we can see, yesterday's candle was a bearish candle, but today's candle is showing a bit of recovery, and on the 4-hour time frame we could be seeing something like on the 4-hour time frame we have something like a retracement to the 1.2344 area. That's on the 4-hour time frame, but the overall bearish structure is still in place as price continues to establish lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then lower low. So we might be expecting lower high, the price might get to the 1.2344 area as it attempts to establish lower high. On the 1 hour time frame, what do we have? We can see something like a triple bottom on the 1 hour time frame. Price trying to retrace, and the overall structure is still bearish. On the 30-minute time frame, the triple bottom price pattern is obvious, and we can see what we have around here, more like a break of the neckline. We have a break of this neckline around here, and price might attempt a recovery to the 1.2344 area. On the 15 minutes time frame, what do we have? We can see a more elaborate triple bottom. The triple bottom price pattern is more elaborate, and I personally expect price to get to 1.2344 area. For now, on the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that price is ranging, and our range top is at this is where our range top is, 1.23355 area, while the range bottom is at the 1.23315 area. So traders should look out for either the breakout to the top side, or a breakout to the downside. On the 1 minute time frame, we have the range price equilibrium, as the London market is expected to open in the next couple of hours. We might see price break out to the top side to grab liquidity at the top, and then we might see price break down to the downside to grab liquidity at the bottom before price finds its direction. Okay, let's look at Euro USD on the daily time frame. For Euro USD on the daily time frame, we can see that price is gradually progressing towards the downside. Price progressing towards the downside, and we might be seeing price get to this area. I'm talking about, let's look at what area do we have at the downside. We have the 1.0599 area. So on the daily time frame, we can see price establishing lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, implying we have a bearish trend that is in place, and the momentum of the bearish trend is high, as we do not have a significant pullback. On the 4 hour time frame, what do we have? You can see a bit of recovery to the 1.0736 area. So we might see further recovery to the 1.07549 area as time goes on. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see something like a triple bottom or inverted head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the inverted head, and this is the right shoulder. We can see something like break of the neckline. Let's call this the neckline. Price has broken the neckline, and price is trying to recover to the top side, but I believe price might recover up to the 1.0470 or the 1.0544 area. But for now, the overall trend on the chart is bearish. On the 30 minutes time frame, we can see that the bulls continues to form, the bullish candles continues to form shadows, bullish shadows, pin bars, bullish pin bars, indicating that price might likely continue to go up. And we have this ascending trend line confirming that price is trying to recover to the top side. So you might look for buying opportunities on Euro USD for now. until the bears steps in and then try to push price down for the downward trend to continue. Okay, as far as this current moment, the moment is concerned, the present direction is to the top side on the 15 minutes time frame, as the bulls are more active on the 15 minutes time frame. We have more bullish candles more than the bearish candles, and the retracement of the bears is just not really significant as more bulls steps in to push price up. On the 5 minutes time frame, we can see something like a range, price trying to range into London market open, and we might expect price to break out to the top side. On the 1 minute time frame, what do we have? You can see that price is still ranging. We might want to look out for the range breakout, okay, before we make our trade decision. So that's that for today's video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like, smash the like button. You can drop comment below the video. You can ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. Also, go ahead and smash the bell button below the video for notification. You can visit my website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade. You can also visit fxfables.com to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, is bye for now.